How to delete VPN on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down, find and tap on General. Now, scroll down to find and tap on VPN and Device Management. Then, tap on VPN. Here you will see all the VPN profiles available in your device under Device VPN. Tap on the info icon beside the VPN you want to delete. Tapping on this icon button will take you to that VPN's details and configuration page. On this page, tap on the Delete VPN button located at the bottom. The phone will ask you to confirm. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily and successfully delete VPN from an iPhone.